Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing 3 to 5 niche topics that match user search intent and potential traffic, because relevance drives SEO. Create a concise, credentialed profile and add a link to your pillar page. This builds trust and a visible referral. Follow related spaces and 20+ active contributors so your content appears in feeds. Once done, queue 10 shortlisted questions to answer this week and set a daily 30-minute Quora session habit. Consistency matters for ranking. Now focus on writing answers that show expertise and satisfy searchers. You should aim for 300 to 800 words, placing primary keywords naturally and related terms nearby so Google understands context. Include 1 to 2 links, 1 to your pillar content and 1 to an authoritative source. This boosts credibility and referral traffic. Add a descriptive image, a compelling headline, and 2 to 3 subheaders for scannability. Make sure to format answers with short paragraphs and a direct call to action for next. Finally, promote and monitor your Quora answers so the SEO lift compounds. Share each answer on social channels and your newsletter within 24 to 48 hours to amplify signals. Track clicks, impressions, and referral traffic weekly and adjust which questions you prioritize based on performance. If an answer loses visibility, refresh it with updated data, add proof or a new example, and reshare after 7 to 14 days. This often restores momentum. Make sure to document changes so you learn what works next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.